This is Tony Victor, and I'm doing a short reading from my book Tabernacle in the Body of God, Restoring Eleusius. And this is Chapter 1, Virgo and the Hermit. To come to a place where the basis of ideas can formulate a true understanding will be at the juncture of both knowledge and being. Knowledge may be transmitted, yet its symbolic assimilation into wisdom or practical knowledge requires a set of internal correspondences that are only integrated into one's being through extensive study and application. In the absence of a teacher, is it possible to find the sacred way? Given the ability to identify them, let us propose that it is theoretically possible to understand the fundamental elements of what it means to be. The difficulty in identifying the elements of knowledge that strengthen one's being is the raison d'etre for both the school and teacher. If a teacher is knowledgeable in the matters concerning the creation of the soul, their wisdom is the school. When one enters a great work for himself or herself, the aims with which he comes to said school may be different from his personal aims once he leaves the school. Eventually, the school is no more, or it becomes different and may no longer suit the aspirant. Though striving is the work, the student will always have goals, whether temporary or long-term. The Eleusinian Mystery School was once known the world over. The essence of its teaching lies in a deep understanding of comparative mythology. The study of Greek mythology is the most useful tool for understanding the process of initiation and the creation of the soul. Both the abduction of Persephone and the fall of Phaeton are important if we are to understand these sacred mysteries. Though the schools have been lost, we still have the keys that have been maintained for as long as man could communicate an oral tradition. The secret of initiation is concealed in plain sight. With proper understanding, it can be extracted through the knowledge of the constellations. Thanks for watching. Go to my project page at kundaliniquicksilver.com to find out how you can get this book and the tarot deck as a free gift. Like and subscribe to my YouTube and Instagram, Quicksilver Astrology. Thanks.